How you do, my people? Now, if you want to boost your memory, yes, to sort out your digestion problem, to detox your liver, yes, man, you got to make this tea. This is what the rosemary looks like in its fresh state, my people. Yeah, as you can see it right here, all nice. Yes, my people, and with the boiling pot, you will now add the ginger to it, yeah? And you will allow it to boil. Yes, so after boiling, the ginger for around 2 minutes, my people, as you can see, it's boiling, yeah? We will then add the rosemary. Yes, my people. Oh yeah, natural and nice. You will allow it to steep for a little, yes, because you don't want to have it boiling in it, to give it a biterish taste. You have to make this tea because I know you want to improve your memory, right? Yes, you want to prevent cataract, you want to prevent kidney stones, yes, and peptic ulcers. Rosemary does help with that. Rosemary does help with your skin as well, and it promotes hair growth. You want to prevent leukemia, yes, and you want to help to prevent peptic ulcers, and also kidney stones. Now you have to drink this tea, my people. You want to boost your memory, yes, you want to stimulate hair growth, yes, you gotta make this tea. Now you also want to treat dandruff in your hair. You can also boil it, put it to cool, put it in a spray bottle, and then you spray your scalp and massage it in. That will help to treat your dandruff. Yes, you want to detox your liver, you gotta make this tea. Yes, yes, my people. So if you have respiratory problems, rosemary does help with clearing the respiratory tract as well. Yes, so you don't want to get yourself some of this awesome goodness. And for the females, if you suffer from menstrual cramps, it does help with that. So you'd want to drink this tea because it has superb benefits, yes, for you. And one thing that I can say it does for me is that it helps to calm the nerves. Yes, it helps to calm the nerve, my people. So you want to make this tea, yes, and just sit back, relax, and enjoy. Now, thank you for tuning in. Thank you for joining Venvenmusic and Country Life. Now, stay tuned for the next video.